The man shame. The man shame, bro. Cause him can't show nothing. Him not have no project, him not nothing to talk about. You understand?
Yeah. But you're gonna see a different labor right movement after this after this local election and Sunday.
No, it start early, you know. It start early, cause
But turn up yet.
you're not gonna turn up till next year. Cause you know one thing with well, the other side not get it, but you know, but when you touch the other side now, them way I go Christmas Day. But for we side I go kinda, cause you know, once you get December, Christmas, the people, you know. The whole of December, Christmas, the most of Jamaica people, you know.
Yeah.
So next year when everything cooler, me know you're not gonna see no more. You're not gonna hear about no liquor. Cool meat. You see them liquor something where I keep car. Even that me did vex with, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me did vex. Me and what that
Huh?
What is it cut?
What?
Scott.
oh
Scott?
yes.
Yeah.
Scott
Me
retire.
I wonder if you party and I look for the crowd. Me not understand cause when me hear say our inside meet, me I say really Portland? Two side that come together. And you talk about in our room. That ain't gonna make no sense. You know, say people come. People didn't have town when I go up and none at all. Cause Mama Joy, we're gonna take for your side by storm, you know.
My side.
Yeah, I give them that. Them not.
No man, remember say Mobile go green from PJ time, you know.
All, all that girl that we are running and make up night. Him now win. All she go for a corner. And I expose her. She now win. She a liar, right?
Oh, that girl there with the wide hips and a big bumper.
Yeah.
Sexy, you know? Sexy. Just
Man,
not a go on for her. She not
man,
too,
capture you
she not
too.
sound too bright though.
Yeah, period. No disrespect
Mm.
to her, but she can play one kind of politics that now gonna help her in the long run.
That a long time days politics. And I can
Yeah,
use beauty and win something.
she had the dating Campbell.
All that too. That makes sense. That will make sure so she not win.
Yeah, man, she had the female dating Campbell. She, she don't know if you angle herself. Remember, say she did come up, about tough done, you know. Guys, tap up the screen, man, and share the live. I see they come talk about tough standing about how them get tough stand bed with her what that said. That outside girl.
You know, sir, Friday will tell us if St. Thomas is really ungrateful. Friday
Yeah.
will tell us. I just have
And
the margin. Let us say we lose, but we lose at a close margin.
yes, 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 yes.
Me rather say we lose by a close margin than a far margin, and then we
Cause
can
at least we don't
determine
get paid to win.
exactly because it's a seat we not normally win, no so
No.
exactly.
But and also too, it a go show this a go show up the pool. Cause remember, when me like with them two seater, it tore them in a PMP, where PMP normally dominant in. So when we win Clarendon, it a go bring, cause with Danan this a pool, him have to have not that side of Clarendon, who are in the losing column for him. So that I go show say, man, you need to retire and go home. Cause your poll don't make no sense again. Or the PFP need to send him home. Cause of them a PM. So it's a two, more than one reason they are critical and don't believe we should take them lightly. They are really critical.
Politics.
Yeah, bro.
How St. Thomas look? I don't know, even though you don't come from down there still, but you must get some information.
Alright, to be honest, and this is no joke, cause me I tend to talk it through. Every every time I look at St. Thomas, it's like the more the campaign go on, it a favor the JLP more and more.
Politics, may I circle back here?
Yeah,
Okay.
bro.
Waka.
All right, man. Bless. Yo,
Waka.
me Jeep.
Wow, you're
Yo,
there, boy.
me there, man. Me there, man. But you don't know, so me there, funny.
I mean, I say it
You're
before.
that yard.
Huh?
You're that
No,
yard.
no, no. I'm just saying
No,
that
me not jumping there.
you
Me not
like
jumping there.
that,
Me not jumping
man.
there, brother.
All right. Can you know with the near, So, you tell your forward, you have to link.
Yeah, man. You know, shrubs. But me there.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So, Black, every time I hear about you, I see it, it's like the momentum of the JLP go up. And this is no bias talking. Because one of the things you see,
I want to call you.
sometimes
Yeah, but that's
when you get the younger voter them on your side, even though people will say, oh, some of them not going to vote and some of them not have ID. Everybody have ID, you know. Them be had it back in a long time days. So before I say the young people them know more take on to the party. So them have a better campaign going. And the female them,
to go on down there now, you remember, Tom should I go for them way, no matter what,
well, no, and to be honest with you, know, blacks, people don't look funny like that. You see, we have to understand that a lot of us are Jamaica. We love saying that.
Yeah.
So, as somebody that share, I say me that talk to some young people, and they were saying nothing and go on and the max them say one of them are work and I say I work at one hotel and the person explained to him and I said if nothing ain't not go on. You would get that job, yeah. Government implement that hotel come in because I work at government, you know. Hotel come in invest. You understand?
But that's what me I say. They know what come here last time when they in
No,
place
you're
now,
not
we have about
listening.
30,000 people, about 3,000 people in a BPO, you know.
No, guess what? Some of them we can't read. And them are gonna say some of them will pass certain year. Them are gonna say that and them not curious. Some of them are gonna say that enough for me.
Yeah, that's true. That's true still.
Yeah. Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Yeah, man. With that St. Thomas thing there, you know, it's really the undecided people and the young people really about swing all in.
Yeah man.
Because
Clearly.
they can't tell you. See the people them out there, so let me tell you from how long. From 2008. You remember the bridge of Surge Island? You see the Surge Island Bridge? On the road, that is when that bridge was built, and one box culvert when they come left Harborview, and also a box culvert to go a search to. You understand me? Those were out. And the same year we had a hurricane too. We had a hurricane. And then you see Georgia, a local place where them call them Georgia when you go over Trinityville. That place was cut off. And you see, at the time, J. Robertson,
Sorry to
he did a
interrupt,
Bailey
guys.
Bridge. He did a Bailey
Hi,
Bridge
guys.
for Georgia. Yeah, man, we're hearing him. He did a Bailey Bridge, and I can tell you.
No, I'm
Right?
actually at the.
So he did a Bailey Bridge there.
Hold on there.
You understand me? And
Hold up and don't hold up and stick up my mistake because Mr. Look, I see the on the campaign show. Let me hear you say to the out of center, I start clearing them.
I'm always on the campaign trail. So, put me in a big box politics. Wrong thing me turn on. Put in a box.
Yeah, man.
So, me I try to figure out a way to show it, but me can't say nothing right now. But pretty much we are at the Cross Primary School. The new Minister of Education is here as well. And
Well, it's cross. You can't just say cross. Let's say.
Cross Primary. All right, we're at Cross Primary School in Clarendon.
Yeah, man.
So the purpose of this function, if anybody on the live wants to come over, feel free. Purpose of the function is to have young persons can come over and get jobs. We have Hartis here, we have Sutherland is here, and a few other businesses. You can also come by and get your birth certificate and NIS card, amongst other things. So it's a huge function. Yeah, come by, food, refreshments, all of that good stuff. So if anybody wants to come by, that's currently what we are doing. Oh, here it is. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So I just wanted you guys to see what is happening.
Wow.
And
Yes, Jim, I'm see your face, because when I come up there, I just gonna hug you.
all right, classic. Me soon turn it, make you can see it. Me soon turn it. Me just want to see what happened first. Then me turn the camera. So yeah, this is the Heart Station. The other one we just passed was Heart as well. This is where they are recruiting persons. The manera to give away what is soil. Something about soil. Media is here, as I said, Minister is here. Here she is. So I can see her. Minister of Education.
Wow.
Hi, Minister.
And her staff.
So you can't get a talk with Minister. You
No.
can't make you wave.
I can't see the crowd. Look in front of her. Look there. Look there.
Okay,
I
okay,
can't
okay.
bother the bomb rush. So as you can see, Colonel Charles just drove in. Colonel Charles just reached. All right, let me show you what's going on. Again. Classic, you may not come see me now because I forgot you in town. So
All right,
there he is
understand. So,
working.
Minister, Charles is going to.
Yes, he's going in and National Self-Serve Wholesale. I don't know what they do. But yeah, them there too. NCB is here. SDC is here. Jace then Jack then whatever they mean. You said is here.
And put up whole heap of
Support
things
victims of
since yesterday, man. Whole heap more
yep,
things
it's a
put up.
person that suffer from have problems with the violence in the home. They're here as well. NCD line lang. Yeah. Jack then is a pharma and medical and pharmaceutical company. Yeah. See what going over the other side here. No. That. I don't know if I can we are going over there, so I'm selling a going over there. But I see stuff for kids. People sit down on that tent over there, so. Classic, this is up your alley. This is rather stuff that sell like what you do plastic.
Man, I know these people.
Stuff like that.
Oyago. Oyago na ngayon yung kumakondo.
Plastic way there by the way.
Yeah, they are yard right now. I'm gonna reach up here.
It depends on
Yo,
what
yeah, ako listen mo talk to you. Kasi ako kantina doon me talk to you. You give me talk.
You're not sure classic your face.
You me talk.
May I turn it?
Eh?
All right.
Yeah. All right, the MP I walk with the minister now, so I'm gonna turn back my camera.
I true, you know, so you're not ugly, that's why you do it so fast. That's all.
Don't bother with it. All right, there.
Let me talk to you. Go misbehave and give me talk.
That's the cat no she do, so she not ugly, no, that's why I say.
Tata, go on,
You not give me
man.
the talk this morning. You not talk last night? You don't talk last night?
Sexy dreams are underlife, remember.
All right, guys, I have work to do. I got to go.
Yeah,
We can't
man,
walk
big up
up
yourself.
and we can't just step on live. MP, give me work to do. I got to go.
Now drop word
Just
to
wanted
me.
you guys to see what was going on.
Drop word to me.
Huh?
Drop word for me.
Thank you. No problem. My pleasure. So guys, anybody that comes on the live after this, please let them know, especially if they say they're from Clarendon. So anyways, me have other work to do. I need to video this. I can't be on live. So see y'all later.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. Nah, guys, that's why you see, that's why I tell you, say, everybody have a part to play. You see, she's coming in and she was overseas and then she come, she hit the road. She be here in town, St. Thomas all. So everybody have a part to play.
Morning, everyone. Morning, everyone.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Mobile, man.
With the man, I was up on the work with the but me take a break. But what me have to say still, me always I say this, me always I tell the labor them say yo, PNP campaign every day. They don't bother wait on social media alone. PNP campaign every day. Then
So as
campaign.
I said that, me hope you a campaign to, you know. Cause you would know
No,
what is what.
the thing is that me tell them, me only can spread the message as far as we go by. But me have my work consists of me know the one place, me there all over.
But are
So me
you
no have,
easy to do it?
no, the thing is, I'm sure. Me no, most of the time me no encounter with people on a daily basis. Me only just like call or transportation. And me just charter a vehicle, go me I go, do me I do, and come here. So me no in a public passenger vehicle every day. A landscaping me do. So me no see, me just pull up our yard and just cut and come my yard. So most of the time, we always see people them around me who are already laborers.
Okay.
But the thing is now, the MP them and the council them, they need to build a team or mobilize, employ
But
them, employ.
one of the things, sorry if I cut you and
Yeah,
don't take it the wrong way. But we always have something here where person come on live and sometimes we debate it, sometimes it cause a big problem. Who tell us that the MP them not do what they need to do? Not because we believe that they need to do this, and it means that them not do something way. Because sometimes we get so caught up in the social media thing where we believe if a man now put up things on social media, him not do nothing. But sometimes when we come in, members say, if we go in a parliament now, as it's sweet, you know, brother, money in a parliament, to be a member of parliament, you know, money in there. So when we are say MP need to do this and MP not do that, sometimes them have them plan, we just don't know, and we just not go see everything on social media, because really and truly, sometimes social media not even work. Because a man, I say no, alright, look how much time we come on social media. Sometimes we have 100 people. And yeah, ask anybody from St. Thomas? Nobody. Yeah, ask anybody from such division? Nobody. So sometimes, as we say, everything we're gonna know, you have some MP, them dep on the ground, them a try build up their number. You have some MP, them would write off. Say one, just for example, 1,000 people, them sure. And them check and say if you really win the seat there, or if you know so you're gonna win it, you wanna get to another 1,000 vote. We are hit them a work man. Where if you go come on social media and you talk, you're not gonna get them vote there. You have to in a feel a grown. You have to give them like a chicken. With me you not gonna know that. You have to give them one them have them shop and them want if you stock out. You have to buy them couple beer. Them have them pigs and they want a couple feeding. Them have them some liquor, short of water. You have to buy them on black tank. Because a vote you want, so you want to build up your stock. So me no want we think back and we sit down and believe say, hey, nothing go on. Things are going on, man. The MP them have plan to live on. Trust me.
Yeah, politics. The same thing we have alluded to earlier. St. Thomas Ball Road. Me can tell you, because me work a seafort. You see over the years.
Me
I
now,
like
even though I hear that thought, me I come back to you, but me now want just lock down live on, so make live on, because me did cut him. We are going to come back to you. As Livan done, so you come in. Go on, Livan. Livan. Livan jump. I made it cut him. I just said bumping. Alright, go and talk. Go and talk, my boss. Yeah, hear me?
May I talk politics?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. As I say, why I mentioned this morning that St. Thomas people are grateful. Them ball and demonstrate, so they want highway, they want road, they want this, and them get it. You remember that? The big demonstration with them on popcorn.
Yeah, man. But them will tell us, may I agree to them ungrateful, but when me talk to some of them, and when me hear them talk, one of the concepts where you take a PNP pushing at their head is that on a labor right, do the road portion, they get the money long time.
Lie them at you.
I lie them, I tell lie.
Look here. Let me explain something to you. And you hear them talk, I will thing. All right. You hear about the 27 new bridges where they build right as blues coming up over?
Mm-hmm.
Those bridges under the R.A. Murray Bridge Program, those were signed from 1984 by the Canadian government and the JLP. 1984, and nobody can dispute that because I have all documents and I work on the projects, right? And that went through NWA. And what that means that the money was already allocated from 84. You understand? And when Seattle lose the election, right? I think it was 89. They didn't want to do the project. It's in the last part when PJ will come out of government. PJ decides he will do the bridge then. And a company, right, a New Kingston, there's a name, you, Leo, and Chin, Tommy Leo. Those people got the contract to build the bridge, and the Canadian and go and batch it down and say, no, we cannot just get up and give somebody the bridge to do all of that. So they put R.A. Murray and say, R.A. Murray will come down and they will be the main contractor because we don't trust the Jamaican government with the money. You understand? After that, Porsche lost the election in, I think it's somewhere in November 2007, right? And those bridges were built, and they will claim it and say if they build the bridge and then they get the money. The money was allocated from 1984. Same thing yesterday, I was talking to CMU Richards, and I told him that the highways for Jamaica were planned from 1966. And them batch answer allow me to tell. And I sent VG the documents and I show them the documents. Let them read it in the NROC summary for Highway 2000. It is stated in there that the planned highway for Jamaica was planned from 1966 and there were 4 studies done. 4 studies that were done. And I said, no, go. So I say, listen to me, go read the document. When I get documenting, I get it from the IDB, you understand me? The World Bank and the IMF. Those are where I get my information from. I don't get my information from the Jamaican source. You understand? In St. Thomas, we built one bridge going from Seafort to Surge going to Trinityville. That one was done that time. And Abraham Richardson was the MP at the time. And I look and I see the big demonstration. They want a road. They got the road. And I see a young lady where Rusty highlight talking, from the road fix, shop a flood out, and this and that, and the road too higher than the shop. It's a lot of people who do not understand construction. When you're doing a road,
Best dance, you text me, I not see no text. Don't text me don't text me TikTok, you know, because sometimes I come off a live, the amount of people where fear things to me. I can't but I figure go a search. So just as I say, go up on the page and you're gonna see one number on it. Just one flyers. The flyers them I put up. Alright, go ahead. Sorry about that. Go ahead.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So what I see that I say, people don't understand that highways normally should be higher than the land around it. That if there is flooding, when you go on the road, you're out of the flood. A lot of people don't know how roads are built. You understand me?
Yeah.
That's the design behind most of the roads. That's why the highways are normally higher than the surrounding land. A lot of people don't understand why engineer designed the highways like that. Because if the highway is lower than the land and the entire place flood, the highway will flood, how you going to come out? That is something a lot of people don't take into consideration. And the reason why I say they are ungrateful, the road was so bad right through St. Thomas going to Portland, and now you get good roads. The government even tried with our Jamaican contractors. They realized that the first phase of it, Jamaican contractors were doing the road, and they make a mess of everything. And the government have to take them off and check the Chinese to do the road. Even now, you have proven doing a building down in Senton, right there in Ochi, right behind the Jerk Center, and proven that it's Peter Bunting and Mark Golden. They did not give any Jamaican the contract. And they didn't take a bank loan, it's for their money. They did not give us Jamaican the contract. They give a company out of China named CICC the contract.
So why them come and make PNIs and them give other people contract where other for them money I spend? Then they should give Jamaican the contract too. So like
That is the thing. And that is what people don't realize. That's why the man sending money to Bahamas. Him not give Jamaican no work. So we don't know how they don't look in themselves. Andrew Holness and his wife doing a project down from what was a private sentence, right? And it's Jamaican doing the work. Nobody don't talk about that. They have a housing project down there, right? They have a housing project down that side doing, and it's Jamaicans doing the work, not Chinese. And I think what needs to happen to us Jamaicans, we need to start taking pride in ourselves. And when we get contracts, do we contract them and finish contract and stop taking money, go buy big Benz and big car and big this before your contract long. You understand me? Right now, most businesses will not use Jamaican. Most banks will not recommend Jamaican to do contracts. You realize some of the big company them where you used to hear about, some big company, you realize you don't hear about them again. We get some big government project. You realize that? You realize you hear about YPC and M&M Construction, all them people, you hear about them anymore? You all hear about those Jamaican big companies. Nothing more
and don't get it wrong, we have good contracts then, okay? But it's just that they're not a lot.
No, look here, I'm in the field and I know who is good from who is not good. There are a lot of good people here, yes. But you see, what I'm saying now is not the company I'm blaming. The workers of Jamaica. The workers of Jamaica, they don't think highly of their country. When they leave Jamaica and go to any other country, they work them ass off. But when they're in Jamaica, because of politics and my boss work, a PNP work, a labor work, so them go up on the thing and them want to sit down on the people, them don't want to do nothing. And that is what people need to ask the politician, why you not give the Chinese the building for them? You stay in board, just do one on Oprah, right? It's right beside what you call it, Prairie High School, where Prairie High School is today, near Ronnie Williams Center. Which company did that? Was it a Jamaican company? It wasn't a Jamaican company, it's a Chinese company did that.
Are you saying building to our people, just say
No man, a fee building man. It's fee building them man. One up on Half a Tree Road.
No,
after part is no man, him signed upon it, man. Him emblem upon it, Him lightning bolt, when you see him upon it, him do the lightning bolt post. It is on those buildings. And a lot of people don't realize most people don't give Jamaican work. So we need to change our attitude and sit down and realize. You understand me? I said, Michi?
Yeah, man, I agree with it. I agree with it.
So when I look into all of that, even the new projects coming up now with the $2 billion contract, and I'm saying, why the Prime Minister give overseas people the work? They don't realize that people shine away from Jamaican because Jamaican are not performing. When they're in Jamaica, we don't perform. We perform outside of Jamaica. And we sit down and we're not asking the politician these questions. You know? We're not asking all the politicians them questions. You know? Why is it so? I hear they talking about the hotel sector and Prime Minister never step in all the years of our history. Government never step in on the hotel yet. Never. Hotel a minimum wage work, most of it. And they're telling the Prime Minister to step in. Where you want to run the investor out of the country?
Blessed morning, everyone.
So So a lot of people asking the Prime Minister to do too much, and they're asking too much from politicians. That even me don't like the Jamaican people. Everything is politics. Them ask too much. If rain fall, the Prime Minister see the cloud. If a place flood, 100 drill for high. If a road mash up, I can mash it up. People don't realize that they're damaging themselves and them pushing themselves in a corner. When they go foreign, them have to work. And if you don't work, you do out a road, homeless. You do out a road, homeless. And that is what most Jamaican not looking to you. Homeless a road if you're foreign and work. You're there at Jamaica, you don't want to work. Why you don't want to work? You have fear country if you be. I don't hear most people coming on the political talk and saying politics. Say, you know what? We need to have food security in Jamaica. That is what the Prime Minister is pushing right now. We have to have food security. Where we have to protect our farmers, where we have to protect our country. If we have natural disaster like rain and flood, what we have. If St. Elizabeth flood out and the St. Mary flood out, where we all get food. Nobody don't consider that. All we sit down and we talk. And you then beat the Prime Minister left, right, and center. Everything a theme fault. Whose fault was it in a previous administration?
No, I
and that's
said
the reason what.
The government may get to understand. So that's what normally with the government. Once the government is coming to power, people don't get the government
too much from them.
Yeah, exactly.
I remind me about the company where you say a building place, a proven building.
No man, approve man. Peter Bunting and Mark.
Yeah, but the company will build it. The company will build it.
CICC. CICC.
CICC.
Yes.
Okay.
You can check it out.
Yeah.
You understand me? There are a lot of companies coming to Jamaica and them are the well. BYD is another Chinese company, different from Sheikh. You have a next one named Artisan. Yeah, I whole heap of them you have in Jamaica. And the bank will not give a Jamaican company those buildings to build. When you got the bank recommend NCB, Scotia, JMB, the whole of them, they recommend that the Chinese do the project. And nobody in Jamaica not coming out and talk and say, look here, we have good contractors. We can buy the things from China to come do the work. It's because of our culture. We feel like politicians figure we hand out. And the politician and not coming out and say to the people, look here. Prove now, come on, we have a building for doing, but here, this is how we want it to be done.
Yeah, man, reality, yeah, talk, bro. You have some people, them love the hands out for the politics, for the politician, them. And by right, we don't know if the votes are not ever go through the council. So the council have a book, you know, with every rules and regulation where them have to follow, you know. By right, a council or an MP not supposed to give a hands out. What them for do? Fix the road, make the people have their light, water, do the rebushing, and then
that's all I'm responsible for sure.
Zin, I'm sure how me know so much about that.
Let me say this.
Yeah, Michi.
the councillors and the MP, our political representatives, is there to represent us in every possible way. They also do social intervention programs. Some we call it handout. So for example, a man have a shop or a person have a shop and needs help. They have a program to help you with that. You need chickens, they will give you that. So it's social interventions that can help to build you, not to just give you something that you will come back tomorrow or next week, come ask again. So it's something that's supposed to make you
it's like
generate.
the people in one. It's like the people in one. One set of people. One set of people, them who don't mind, them got the office, have them guy office and say they want this, them get it every time. One to rest of people them.
But stick up.
And then you have some people them now go visit the office. Them want the member of the parliament or the council them to visit their yard. No, that's why them build the office. I talk to one youth the other day, I ask me, because me that Canada right now. The way to ask me if I have no links up here with no farm work and them thing. I said, no links up here. Here what you do. You go to the MP office and anything you want, it is there for you. I look for me and tell me, say, no, go this and one bugger sick me. I said, well, if you now go this, you can't know what. It's there for you to get.
And that's what we as Jamaica. We know.
Nothing's not there for no farmer card, no, my friend. You have to go to the MP's office.
MP.
That's final.
Exactly. That
is final.
That me tell them.
Yeah.
The next thing is when me hear umbrella talk about again is the rules and the regulation them are Jamaica and over foreign. Me come here 2020. The corona. And them say 2-week quarantine. You lucky the hotel room for 2 weeks. You can't even go out, pull the hotel door and go out on the balcony or nothing. Now in the balcony you got to them call out this
passage.
Yeah, the passage you can't even out say you can't go. Then Jamaica, little Jamaica. The Prime Minister say quarantine. No, you don't want quarantine. You want ups and downs. The foreigner them come in. I will see one and them up and down. I go in the same country after it. I don't know what happened to Jamaica people, brother. And everything they run, Prime Minister this, Prime Minister that. Sometimes I tell myself, say if I was in Andrew Warner's shoes, me resign. And me and my wife go sit down and just enjoy ourselves and no business. Jamaica. And then them time they the good I go suffer for the bad.
No man, you have to be strong. You see, what are the things where enough we not understand? You see, when you build for something, you know where you are. You don't take this as 2 years. Not that you don't have feeling and you're going to see something, but to me, what those people don't know, say, sometimes, and not everybody will talk, especially like, let's say the lady, but that we don't bring up people, just use as an example. The lady at center, what did I talk about Anjo? If I'm like Anjo, let's see that, but that people that laugh and look at.
Yo, St. Thomas born and grew. St. Thomas, me that St. Thomas man, born and grew St. Thomas. Over 30 years. Zane, and a PNP, PJ. Penton Fergus around this so. When I look at like man, office the brother, I come like say I act them a raise like man, office.
A real thing, man.
And Joe Missy come clean up the man office and make it look like somebody. Make it look like something. And since they start with the road, it get bad now. I mean what it I go deal with. And a bigger bridge.
Right now, no PNP office name for the St. Thomas.
No, I don't. That's a joke.
Bro, I will soon link you back. You hear me? I go up at the school now, so.
Yeah, man, big up.
Cool.
Yeah, man, big up, bro.
Yeah, no office name for the
No, I don't know. Office name for the picture.
But you know what me can understand them people. Me in a St. Thomas regular from 2006. And me about the last 2 years, me really go St. Thomas. I just go St. Thomas over there too. You understand me? But Me can't tell you. Oh, there wasn't all that good as them are talking. The only road that they usually good is when you pass. Yeah, in a Morant Bay. And when you go up on Pamphret, remember the Pamphret Road? Yeah, man, the Pamphret Road, they did have a whole heap of dip in it. Whole heap of dip.
Yeah.
You understand me? So I remember that clearly. Yeah, man.
And you go come right up to Morant Bay.
Right up to Morant Bay. And then you go right out
the road of St. Thomas.
What you call that place again? Right out of Lethal, there, so?
Yeah.
Past Prospect and go Lethal. That's the good road stop.
That's why I say Morant Bay to Lethal.
Yeah, man. From this go right back to Portland, the road is bad. The road is bad.
Alright, me go use that Portland. Me go use that Portland as one of this East Portland for one of this topic. How much in here is Broomfield East Portland and where man do for East Portland. And Marie Vaz, me see come some place the water never there. And Marie Vaz, me see come make water the them place. And they still come with too much in different people who come around against Anne Marie Vaz and saying can't lose. No, they can't this a rasta. Better go and back up more. I don't know where am I go. Yeah, but tell them straight, man. They must say they might go broke the vase. I must do it vase, they must go broke.
It's a what they don't understand, you know. You see, when people work, they don't realize that the undecided voters, you know, when them see them get road, and then see them get bridges, and then see them get certain, the undecided voters going to vote. So
Yeah,
all
man.
who all talk, they don't understand that. Remember, you know, in our Westmoreland, you know, when the Prime Minister was doing Conscience Spring Road, same time, he might do out of Ferris down Westmoreland, if everybody remember that. And him widen Ferris go almost in a Cambridge there, so. You understand me? And what happened at Westmoreland? That never happened before. JLP in Westmoreland. Never happened before. So a lot of people don't understand it. Undecided voters, once you do things with them, see what you do, they are going to vote. So they could have campaign. You see, once the undecided see something done, they are going to vote. They are going to come out and vote. And that is where we are at the edge overall. You understand me? The undecided are going to go out and vote. Because even a seafood, so them realize the road, them need bad. Even hurricane mash them up. I know you get a brand new road. And me work at Seafoot before. Brand new road, because I did the bridge at Seafoot. Brand new road. And then you come and complain about water coming in your yard. All them something there. I mean, also that is a lie. That is a lie, because if I raise the road 3 inches high, that can't turn water in your yard. Your yard did that flood long time. I just yellow clout. You understand me I say? Because long time the road out there, so they little higher than the land them below. And the way them land they flat. Go right from the part of a stony cut part, they go right up in a Seafoot of the bridge there, so. You understand me? So me don't understand them people. Look like them, most of them lose them head, and they not actually realize and look on the amount of upgrade to St. Thomas. You ball for something and the government give you. And then you come and chat, you know, out that chat and downgrade the government. We don't never have nothing. When nobody no member, you know, we don't name the forgotten parish. Why was it the forgotten parish? Boy, yeah, man. And you know, them remember that, you know. So the forgotten parish people call them, you know. People don't want to go there because all them think about abate things and who was the MPs out there when they name the forgotten parish. You see me I say? And who open up everything? Out there open up right now that I be a housing scheme I be out there. Right a pamphlet there, sir, going up. Housing scheme. Road cut out there, right a white asses. Housing scheme right there, sir. The man grateful, I can't tell you. when time the place to tear down a Bruce go and go out and fix up the road right at the look up, you know, look up far left, where you call look up at before you go in a Morant Bay there. I feel look what fall of the road. Right.
Yeah, I know that.
Right there. White House is this.
White House.
They must tell the one of that thing that they tear off. Now one of the road that you have to see. So can you be ungrateful? We don't understand them. And that's why they are the forgotten parish, you know, because they are ungrateful and need to step up them game and stop being ungrateful. That who will help you and them you have to vote for. Stop holding on power your mother and father did depend. Because me can tell them, most people who are PNP or JLP, and them make a decision. Them growing a household with a PNP and then growing a household with a Labourite. And them growing a Labourite era or a PNP era.
You know what they have? You know what they have if you say what they have if you say about Saint Thomas now? When Pernell come, they must say Pernell come capture island them. Run off the people them off island. And that's the hot topic, you know.
Them a fool. The land where they must talk about Pernell Tech. A right at the lighthouse there so. Out of Golden Grove there so the swamp land. It is a swamp land, them a pressure the man for swamp land. Come used to go and go catch crab. And more and
Where Golden Grove where scheme build or something?
Right.
No man, I don't this Alambia attack. The lighthouse, Alambia lighthouse.
Alambia and part of that area them say integrate enough for them area there from them.
Okay.
Cause me out there with them, you know, so me know and me have relatives out there. Cause my great grandmother come from that side there. I have a lot of connections out there. Whole heap of connections. But in
Alright, let me explain something to you. When you catch a Golden Grove High Square there so at the gas station, and you turn on the street upon the street there?
No man, turn on the right. The right turn so you go through the
you turn on the right, go in. Okay,
right.
okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you go up there so and tank what Dalvey ducking for Rocky Pine.
Right.
Okay, yeah.
So I don't understand them. When I say Pernell take a land, Pernell give the most land in Jamaica. If you really check it out. Pernell just give the most land. And in Clarendon people ungrateful too. Because the whole of them you're down a Milk River and the whole of them place Pernell give the land there. And if them come up and talk to them, people come up and talk Yorktown, the whole of them place there, I am giving the whole of land there. At that time them get the land. I mean, if some people down there because here again, I did the Milk River Bridge in Clarendon. And there's a bridge down there named on a Frankfield. There's two Frankfield in Clarendon. You have bottom Frankfield and top Frankfield. You have Frankfield down a Milk River there. So two bridges were down in Milk River.
Of course, I hear that one. The real.
Yeah, man. It's a bottom Frankfield and top Frankfield and that them call it.
No.
Before you go in a Milk River, you take the left. When you come to the bridge, before you come down to the bridge, you take the left turn where they look a square there. And you drive around that side. There's a bridge that was built around there too. In a 2008. So two bridges we do Clarendon. Right before you reach the police station with the crocodile in the water. Because I remember when we down there doing the work and we give them a look at bridge, them say, no, we now walk on a bridge there. Because crocodile will come out of the water per night. We have to raise it. You understand me I say? And that a lot of people don't understand a lot of runnings and things. So they come and they talk.
Well, you talk short, you know, because I live at Clarendon still.
Yeah, man, anybody about the Milk River Bridge when the Milk River Bridge was built.
So you do the second Clarendon, you do it. There is two, right?
Yeah, man. There's two.
No, I didn't know that still, so.
Yeah, man. Ask anybody down there. We come from Milk River, man. There's an area down on Milk River, they call him Frankfield.
I never quite remember, but I drive down the area, so I go to see the sign and I not recall of that, so I not go say,
yeah, man. Ask anybody down there and they'll tell you.
They'll call a friend down there.
Yeah, man, ask them. And they can tell that it's two bridges built on a Milk River. And there's a new bridge built at Frankfield at top Clarendon, this middle Clarendon. So it's three bridges built in a Clarendon.
I think they build them mash up and then they build it back, right? That's how it's going. when
Yeah,
some rain it fall and stuff. Remember the time when the bridge
no,
get
not that one. You talk about the rear Bruno Bridge. Me not talk about the bridge, a rear Bruno this. Where did that
okay.
scour under and the government fix it? Different bridge.
Oh,
Two brand
okay.
new bridge built under the R.A. Murray Bridge program. You can Google it. R.A. Murray Bridge program. 2 billion
Yeah.
at bottom Clarendon. Right? And 1 build up a Frankfield at mid Clarendon. So the 3 bridges were built in basically 2008, 2009 in Clarendon. Check I remember good if you target too, because somebody there comment and said not Frankfield or Springfield. You see somebody will say not Frankfield or Springfield, so probably I mix it up.
Yeah, more I believe that more than
Yeah.
Look at the people them down they call it that, you know.
At Springfield come from down that side.
Listen me I say, the people them down there that I know, because you don't know you're there and you move on. Because a basic school was renovated in the same area. So the local people them call it Frankfield. So if a Springfield are the correct name, then they can say alright. But what I heard from the people there is Frankfield.
Me know you Springfield. Me know Springfield. Me know
Yeah, they call it
Springfield.
Frankfield.
I know that. I don't know.
Yeah, me know Springfield, but me don't know. You see.
I Clarendon I come from there, but I bust to Frank, cause
Yeah, but we hear me I say.
major town in a it's not a
Top
big
Clarendon.
town.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not a big town, but it's a popular.
But hear me I say, the local people them down there, when me talk to and ask them, they say it's Frankfield. Can I remember one of our contractor died on the site down there. The man there have a heart attack on the site and dead. You understand me I say?
Okay.
So if the real name is Springfield, the real name is Springfield is Frankfield, they told me. So me ask the same question too.
Well, big boss, me know Springfield, me know Sedgepan when I talk about, but me never did. Me I listen what you are saying, so me not dispute you. You see me?
Yeah, man, that's what they tell me. You understand me? So if a
so when them
Springfield
tell
the
you,
correct
how you
name,
tell you go after?
that's good. And when them tell me I go after, because when I down there work on the Milk River Bridge, that's what they tell me. That's what the liaison officer and the people tell me. Them call down this Frankfield.
That's Springfield, man.
Right? That's as you come at the bridge and Milk River, you make a left turn around this. So if at the same place you call it Springfield, well, you can stand corrected that the actual name is
but me not
Springfield.
you say it, yeah. But me know Springfield.
You understand me? But
me understand
the name they gave me down there.
Yeah.
That's Springfield, man.
Yeah, because same way with me, same way. One time, I know, name two language in a Clarendon, same way, when me never did know of, same way. And I think, you see me, I say? I don't want
to two language, they have all, and
yeah, you have one language going up Chapter side, I have one language near side of me, same way. You understand? Yeah, so, I said go.
Yeah, man, me just go by what them tell me down there, because I don't know you're in a construction and you move on and you maybe check to one and two girl and
they tell you why.
Yeah, basically. Right? So a lot of things done, and I can tell you, a lot of things where everybody are boast about, it got right cross government. And I think we need to separate them things. There are a lot of things that the highways study was done from 1966. Them are disputed, but it's not in document, so them can't dispute it. It's in the NROC document. You understand me? So them can't dispute that any at all. And a lot of those things went from government to government.
Hold on, from Palmer, Richard, come on, I'm not hearing something. Richard, what's one?
Yeah, man.
Blessed everyone, morning. Now, I'm going to bring you guys back a little.
Well, hold on, Richard sound like them big rich man, you know.
I hear you.